Hello, this is Kathleen at the Marquette Air Lab. This video is for the co-robots for CompuGirls camp for the Python activity. So if you're watching this video, this must mean that you've already completed steps 1 through 8 of the Python activity on pages 19 and 20 in your workbook, and that means you're ready for a little bit extra, maybe a fun challenge. Alright, so to start, we're gonna write a text-to-speech function which will allow the robot to say what we are, whatever we type in it, all right? So this is basically the same as using a say box in Choreograph, but this time we're gonna write our own Python code. So to do that, we're gonna start by making a variable, all right? So we always wanna use meaningful variable names. So in this case, I'm gonna say TTS, which is a really common abbreviation for text-to-speech. All right, so TTS equals, so there's my variable name, my assignment operator, and we're gonna make it equal to AL proxy, open parentheses, open quote, AL text to speech, close your quotes, comma, and now we're gonna use our variable now IP, so we're gonna do now underscore IP, and we wanna make sure the capitalization and the underscore is exactly the same as it is in our variable declaration, or else it won't recognize it as that variable. And then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to type in the port number, which in this case is going to be 9559. All right, so what this statement does is it uses TTS, and whenever now we say TTS in the future, it knows that it is referring to this right here. And what this is, this has to do with what we mentioned earlier, which is the software development kit. This is a method that's available to us when we're using the Now's development kit, all right? Because without the development kit, it wouldn't know what we were referring to. But because we imported the Now Key development kit, we're good to go. All right, so now we're gonna make the Now robot say whatever we want it to. And to do this, we type in TTS, so this is the variable, dot say, open parentheses, open quotes, and I'm gonna type hello world. That's kind of like the first program a lot of like people write when they're trying something new, is they write a hello world, and then we're gonna go ahead and run it. So what's gonna happen here is she's gonna raise her hand, and then she's gonna say hello world. So I'm gonna run it. Here we go. So she's raising her hand.
Hello world.
And then she said that. Awesome. So now we can continue. And we can do whatever we want with our text-to-speech function. We just always have to put in the format of TTS.say, parenthesis, quote, quote, and we can make her say whatever we want, all right? We can also change the order of anything. Let's say we wanted her to say this before she raises her hand. So we're gonna copy that, Control-C. We're gonna go up here, and then we're gonna paste it. Paste. All right, so now she's gonna say hello world, hi there, and then raise her hand. So we're gonna run the module, say okay.
Hello world, hi there.
And now she's gonna raise her hand. All right, so you guys can have fun with your text-to-speech function. It just always has to be in the format TTS.say, open parentheses, open quote, whatever you want her to say, close quote, close parenthesis.